Alright guys, and welcome back to a new video here on my channel. Today I just want to recap my London trade. Today is Wednesday, and yeah, this is one of the first videos from, I think since 7 days. I was on holiday. I was in Greece. And I was like, okay, I don't want to do videos. I still took some trades. Maybe I'm planning on I'm not quite sure, but maybe I will do a recap video. But yeah, let's see. But today is Wednesday, I'm back home, and I took this nice London short here at the 3 AM open, and I just want to give you guys a quick recap. And also, this was day number 5 for my Topstep account. So in Topstep, you need 5 winning days, and to get a payout, 5 winning days of I think $150. And yeah, this trade just secured me my second payout with my funded account. You can see it here. So this is a new dashboard, so I think on Topstep in general I made over I think $20,000. But yeah, since I moved on the new dashboard, I can only see the recent payouts. And you can see I just requested $560. It's not a lot. The reason for this, in general, I only have one funded account with Topstep, and I was like, okay, I want to focus more on uni at the moment. So at the moment I'm only trading one account with really low risk. But it's still a nice method to do some money, also for students. Like if you're a student and don't have much money, one funded account is completely enough. Like you can see the last payout was 2 weeks ago. It was again $580. So yeah, you don't need a lot of money or capital to buy 10 funded accounts to make money. You can also have like a small side hustle and still make good money. But yeah, let's get back to the trade. So I think the best thing to do is I want to go on the replay mode. Where was this again? So what can we see here? I think I stay on the 3-minute chart. So yesterday we had a strong sell-off here, and today actually my buyers are still bullish. So this short here was against my buyers, and that's also the reason why I decided to take profit really early. So what can we see here? Here we had a New York session, and we had a really strong dump here, another dump here. And now we are ranging since Asia. So normally I would look for longs, but what I decided, I took a premium discount zone from here to here, and you can see. And also, if you want to ask me, okay, why here and why not from here? Like this major move was caused by the New York session, so I decided to take this high here. I mean, you can also take this high here. You don't actually always have to take the full range. But I decided to stay here with the premium discount tool, and you can perfectly see perfectly. I think you can see this later. So this was my condition. So I was like, okay, I don't really want to long this now. I would like to look for longs around here in this area. And yeah, if we hit this level here, so the premium zone or the 0.5 level, I want to short. So this was the first condition I wanted to see. And secondly, what I did, because I was still looking more for shorts, I don't know why. So you can see we had this manipulation like here, and all this caused this up move. So what I did, I started to draw out standard deviation from here to here. I have a full video guide on this, so if you want to learn how to draw standard deviation, just watch the video. You can find it on my channel. I think this is actually the most watched video on my channel, so thanks for this. And yeah, just I think I can just explain it right now. So what we want to measure is we want to measure the manipulation. So you can see this was the last low here, the last bearish move before we had this strong pump to the upside. And what we do is we measure the range here, and we project standard deviation levels to the upside. And what I'm looking for is I'm looking for price to reach the -4 level as a potential target. And once we reach the -4 level, I can anticipate, okay, this move might be over. So you can also use standard deviation for a target. So let's imagine you had, I don't know, you longed the bottom here. You can use -4 as a target, like because price is likely to reverse at this level here. Just to explain it quick, but yeah, if you want to learn it, watch the video. And yeah, so I wanted to see price hit this level here, but also the -4. And let's see what it did. So we had the first leg down here. And also what I really liked was you can see the hourly candle here, and we have actually not a strong wick to the downside. So I was like, okay, this candle could sell down bearish. All right, and now you can see we reached -4 and we perfectly hit or almost hit the 0.5 level here. So now I was like, okay, I want to look for shorts. And also, as you can see here, this is the 4-hour candle. And yeah, we are in this huge gap here. So I was like, okay, there are still a lot of sell orders maybe. I can't see the orders, but this was my thesis for the day. And now for my entry, I think I still was on the 3-minute chart, but yeah, in this situation here this morning, I was like, okay, I want to see a rejection down here, and then I want to take my entry. So let's see what happens. And yeah, this was actually my entry. So most of you guys know what I want to see. So at first we had premium, we're at -4, and now I want to see, but we are still in an uptrend. So normally most people here would look for longs. But yeah, I want to see, once we reached the 2 conditions, I want to see a fair value gap getting ignored. So we have an inversion fair value gap. And this was the case on the M3 chart. Sometimes I also go on the 1-minute chart, but at the moment, like in the last few months, I really like the higher time frame a bit more. And yeah, that's it. This was my entry. So I took my short position here. My entry is below the inversion fair value gap, so I want to see a retest. And my target was actually just down here. So it was a 2-hour trade, not too bad. And that's also one of the reasons I went out early. Like I said, my buyers are still bullish. So yeah, and let's see what happens. So, and now we come to a point, actually this wasn't really my model, because, I mean, it was my model, but there was one thing missing. So normally I'm waiting for the hourly candles to sweep the previous high or the previous low. So you can see when I entered the trade, this was almost 3 a.m. and you can see now we just have another hourly candle opened up. And normally I want to see this candle at first sweeping this high here and then selling down. And this was not the case, but this was also another reason for me, okay, I really want to go out here, because I was pretty sure that this candle here will just manipulate lower and then buy up again. And we will see, like it's 3:50, so this trade is only 50 minutes ago. So we can just check the candle out in a few minutes. And yeah, so I was sure, okay, I'm trading against my bias for today. So I really want to get out quick here. And yeah, you can see we had a really fast TP hit. Price went a bit lower. To be honest, I was thinking about to target these lows, but I'm fine with this. Okay, yeah, now you can see we are back on the, like this is the live chart at the moment, and you can see price sold up, and you can see this long wick here, price bought all the way up because this was clearly against our buyers. And now I was looking to sweep this high here, but there was no sweep. And now you can see price swept this low here. We had this fair value gap here, and price bought back up. And actually I was looking to take a trade. I think, where was it? That's interesting now. Okay, I think now I got stopped out because I was actually looking to target this here. So you can see same process, downtrend, market structure shift, use the first inversion fair value gap and place your order here. But yeah, you can see, I think this was a really quick loss. But yeah, this is our trade. This was my London trade. And if you have any questions, just drop it down in the comments below. And yeah, I'm also posting a PDF of this trade in the comment section. And yeah, if you want to get this PDF, just look in the comment section. And I would be really happy about the like, because it always costs a lot of time to do these PDFs. So see you next time.